goat. And then si Gwen is right there. Langoy, langoy pa. Sige, langoy. Langoy. Tugnaw kay guys, but huh? She's gonna get the food inside underneath. Look at that. They're looking. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, I didn't even see it. I didn't even see it. Look at the guys. Look at you guys. Look at how she's looking for. Looking for him. Yeah. Oh, he got the clams, guys. Oh my gosh, he got the clams. Gai ko be. Can I have some? Oh, look at she run. She run. Go far away. Go far away. How about the other one? This other one. This is gonna look. This hangul. She's greedy. She's greedy. Don't grab in here. Don't grab in here. She's still looking. She's doing. Not drop in here. Don't drop it. Is he gonna drop it? Oh wow, she's dropping it. Look at that.
And then he's gonna eat it.
Is he gonna eat it?
Yeah, he might.
Oh, kalami. Oh gosh. Mami, kayo. Look, she's scaring already. Okay, hello.
He's eating.
Only during the pitag guys, mga 15 minutes away from our house right again.
Yeah.
Awat nindot kay siya no. Diha dapit taon ni isdaan. Daghan kin isda diri. Daghan sa kani clams diri oh, dako oh. Rapot di siya oh, kada bang unsay tawag ana? Guso no? Guso ba? Gusto. Oh. Getting another one. Look at this, another one. She got already. Oh, they gonna fly. She's flying. She's gonna drop it. She's gonna drop it. She's gonna drop it. Oh. Oh, she's gonna go back again and fly again. Drop. Dakuha na oy. Oh, so big. Dako kayo. Dako kay nga kuan. Clams, there's a lot of clams over there.
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, there's good siya. Oh, lakay na sad siya. There's a lot in the clams, Gwen.
Oh, he dropped it.
Gwen, should go get some clams.
I'm not going in there. It's cold.
Oh, there is a lot. We're not allowed, right?
Crabs too, yeah. Oh, he dropped it again.
Oh, I thought the woman's going to our car. Dito eh. Dut kay siya no? Awa ba na eh. Limpyo kayo ang kanang kuan. Dagat. Look at that. Lipay kasi sila kay daghan kayong kuan. Daghan kayong clams. Ito na guys. Punto na. Daghan kayong clams. Ay, Gwen.